Imagine arriving in a foreign country at just 14 years old. You have no money, you have no connections, and you do not speak a single word of English.
Dad, is that a movie story?
No, Huss. This is a true story. This is Leo. He arrived in America after losing his father. He was only
He had no friends. Only 14.
Leo arrived in America when he was only 14 years old. His father was gone. His future was uncertain.
Leo watched carefully. While most people focused on today's work, Leo noticed tomorrow's opportunity. Sometimes
Leo worked with patience every single day. While most people only looked at today's work, Leo noticed tomorrow's opportunity. Every small detail could teach him something valuable.
most people saw ordinary bananas. Leo saw a question. Why were the sweetest bananas separated from the others? He knew there had to be a reason.
Excuse me, sir. Why are those bananas kept separately?
Those bananas are already ripe. They taste wonderful, but they cannot stay bananas because they last longer.
This is everything I have.
If you really want the ripe bananas, you can take the whole basket. The whole basket? Most people do not want them. They will become too ripe very soon.
Leo suddenly understood the real problem. The bananas were not bad. They simply had very little time. If he could sell them before they became too ripe,
people would happily buy them because they were sweet, fresh, and much cheaper. Leo had an idea. If information could travel faster than the train, customers could be ready before he arrived. Leo sent a simple message ahead. Fresh, sweet bananas, low price, arriving soon. Before the train arrived,
When Leo arrived, his customers were already there. His first basket sold out within minutes. His simple idea had worked.
Leo earned more money than he expected. He smiled quietly because he knew this was only the beginning.
great businesses often begin with simple ideas. Leo wrote down his plan before anyone else believed in it.
Leo wanted to understand the business from the very beginning. Every lesson made him stronger.
Leo soon understood that success depended on planning, not luck.
One simple observation became a growing business. Leo's journey had only just begun. People no longer ignored Leo. They respected his ideas because they saw his results.
Leo changed his life because he noticed what everyone else ignored. Remember, opportunity often hides in ordinary places.
I'll start paying more attention too.
Leo believed every business becomes stronger when you understand it from the beginning. Leo knew that good planning saves both time and money. Leo's small idea was becoming something much bigger than he had ever imagined.
People trusted Leo because he solved real problems. His ideas created value for everyone. Years ago, Leo arrived here with hope. Today, he returned with purpose.
Leo no longer searched for opportunities. He created them.
One small observation grew into farms, ships, and thousands of new opportunities. Remember, great opportunities are often hidden in ordinary places.
The people who succeed are the ones who notice them first.
Success changed Leo's business. It never changed his character. Leo never forgot where his journey began. The greatest treasure was never bananas. It was the way Leo learned to think.
I thought bananas made Leo rich.
No, Jaff. His thinking made him rich.
Dad, how can I think like Leo?
Ask one question every day. What is everyone else missing?
Daddy, everyone says it is broken.
Maybe. Or maybe.
Nobody has fixed it yet.
Let's play a game. Choose one object and tell me one new business idea.
2.
If you learned a new English word today, tell us in the comments. See you in our next story.